Hey guys, Will here with MediaPlace, and in this video we're going to talk about our free media and browser section. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so if you navigate to your left-hand panel column here, you'll see we have our web browser and our free media. So let's go ahead and click on our web browser first. And here is where we can input a web address and then really pick apart the elements of that website, maybe for images, for video clips, for audio, and we can use it for inspiration, right? So let's say, for example, we go into our URL here and I type in MediaPlace's website, right? We go in here, immediately opens up the web page and I can scroll down and view it just like I could on a web browser, right? But on the right-hand side is where I have access to all of the assets and elements that are available and make up this website. So if I'm looking for inspiration for images, for SVG files, for pictures, I can come in here and I can sort through at the top right column here, the different types of images that make up this specific web page, right? So I can come in here and find elements that I want to use. Video, SVGs, for example, are in here too. So if I like certain elements, I can kind of export them out, right? Same thing with audio. If there was audio attached in here, you could do that for it. Depending on websites, some stuff is available, some is not, right? But for example, say I liked this play icon here from this SVG and I want to save it out. All I gotta do is select it, and then you can say, I want to save this. And where do you want to save it to? We'll go ahead and save it to my files, and then that file has been imported. Now you can, for example, export out this to a disk, right? So maybe you want to save it to an external hard drive. You could export and then save that to a secondary hard drive if you want it. But for example, let's come back over to our library here, and under my files, here is that SVG file that I just saved from our web browser section, right? So that's pretty cool. So you're able to do that in the web browser area. And again, you can sort through all the assets available for this website, or you can see what's available on that site for images, SVGs, or if there's audio available too, right? So again, really powerful tool built right in to MediaPlace to kind of give you those tools to find that inspiration for the projects that you may have. All right, so now let's talk about the free media section. All right, so the free media section is a royalty-free stock library that allows you to search up images, video, GIFs, and stickers. All right, so say for example that I'm working on a project and I need some pictures of the ocean, right? So I could just type in ocean and then hit search, right? So once it populates, you'll see you have access to all of these images that are available for you to use. So if you're ready to download one or to save one into your folder, you can then say, okay, you know what? I want to save this. And it lets you choose where in your synchronized folders in MediaPlace you want to save to. Let's go ahead and save to my files there. And you can see that it'll tell you that that picture has been imported, right? If you want to get this one right here, same thing. You can save it. Maybe you want to save it to a different folder. You can do that as well too. You do have the option to export out to disk from here as well. Maybe you want to save it to a client's external drive. You can do that as well. But again, this is a royalty-free stock library. And again, we could do the same for video. So if I come in here to video, it opens up a whole bunch of different options for me under video, but I can then change this out. So maybe I want to search up mountains. I can click on mountains here, and then it will populate all of the video clips that have mountains in them, right? Which is really cool. So again, same process. If you want to go ahead and export these out or save them to your folders, you can do that here. So if I want to save this shot here and save it to my files, you'll see that it's been imported. And again, maybe I like this because I want to use this for a reel because this is more of a portrait style video. I can save that and I'll save it to my files as well. So now if I navigate over back to my files section, you'll see that here are the stock video clips that I had and the images as well, right? So again, a really awesome feature that allows you to incorporate, maybe you're looking for B-roll, maybe you're looking for just some stock images that you want to use for your projects. This is completely royalty-free and available to you inside of MediaPlace. So again, to navigate there, you go to your download section, and under the web browser, there's web browser, and then here is free media. All right, so again, two powerful tools available for your use inside of MediaPlace. Hopefully you got some quick tips out of here. Stay tuned for future tutorials, and as always, keep creating.